We are here at Urban Eatery and it's a new experience every day and it keeps getting better and better. Mira is here with me. Mira, thank you so much for this lovely hospitality over here. It's amazing. We're loving it, you know. I just love the ambience. The concept is simply horrifying. Food. It shows all over my tummy right now, but I'm really excited about the first main course we are going to eat at Urban Eatery. What is this, Mira? Tell me more.
So this is the railway mutton curry.
Railway mutton curry.
Railway mutton curry with hot naan. I have a small story with that.
I'm sure, because the word railway, I've heard, you know, mutton rogan gosh and nihari and this and that, but railway mutton, how did that come about?
So a few months after we opened, we had the president come give us a visit. It was impromptu, and he turned up on a Sunday evening. When he walked in, he asked for a table, and we didn't have a table available because we were fully booked. So we asked if he would mind having a table outside, and we were very humbly accepted, and he sat outside with his whole family. And his son actually is a regular here, and so obviously he must have brought his dad in. And after he finished his meal, he asked to speak to Aarti and I, and he said that when he was young and his father was the president, he used to go to the railways to eat this railway mutton curry, and it had the same sort of taste and feeling to it, and so it brought back memories for him of his childhood being with his father, and he was so happy, having it. So it's actually become a specialty dish for us now because it's something that
Wow! So the railway curry at Urban Eatery, the president eats it. You gotta eat it. To that. What is this salad? I mean, first, the presentation looks simply awesome.
It's actually my favorite here. It's the pear salad, the Mexican pear salad. It's super healthy, and it has a taste that is just incredible. You know, when you normally eat healthy food, you feel like it's not going to taste that great.
I've had that experience.
And it doesn't fill you up, but this does both. It fills you up, and it has a really great taste to it. And you don't go home feeling guilty that you indulge or overindulge. Having had a great meal.
Awesome. So guys, our food is here, and I can see our drinks are also here. So yeah, bring them on.
There you go.
Thank you.
That's for you, sir. It's a minty pineapple.
It's a what?
Minty pineapple.
Minty pineapple. I'll do this for you like this. Alright. And that is the?
And this is the bramble for you.
Bramble. Wow. Okay.
It's my favorite.
That's your favorite?
Yeah, Philip knows my favorite.
Thank you, Philip. If you come here, ask for Philip. We'll give you the best service, right? Yeah. So check this out. This is also awesome, man. So these are good names, but what is the ingredients in this?
I don't know.
You don't know about that? Okay, that's good. I love the honesty of this. We gotta find it out. What is the ingredient in this? What is this?
This is a minty pineapple.
Yeah, what is inside it?
It contains pineapple juice, mint leaves, sugar syrup, and lemon juice.
Wow, and what about that interesting drink?
This is a bramble. It's a gin-based cocktail with creme de mule on top.
Wow, nice. So you're the mixologist over here?
I'm a mixologist.
Okay, I know who to see later on, yeah? Okay, let's indulge into our food right now. Thank you. Please, now it's time to enjoy our meal. Why don't you indulge that? I'll save the meat for myself. I'll use it. You gotta eat more than that. Come on. Mira, you gotta eat more. Yeah? You gotta eat more. Come on. We are at Urban Eatery. We gotta eat at Urban Eatery, guys. I know it's odd when the camera's there. Yeah. They say you can't eat when the camera is in. Yeah. So how's the salad?
It's super.
I'm gonna indulge in the mutton. Okay.
So what do you think?
Wow. This is nice. The naan is good. You know, I'm a big critic of naans.
Is it?
Yeah, but I like this naan because it's not hard, and I know we've been talking for a few minutes. So with naan, generally what happens is that it cools down, it gets hard, it gets like a popper.
Yeah.
You know, then you just cut it off and cross. But this is still, look at it, it's still soft and everything, and that's really nice.
Yeah, that's good quality naan.
Mutton is good. Wow. So this recipe of the railway mutton, you came up with it?
You know, that actually comes from Handi Kitchen.
Oh. So that has to be good.
Yeah, that was something that
Chef Dayal came up with.
That's right.
This is good. You got it. Have you tried? Are you a vegetarian, man?
I am a vegetarian.
You're a vegetarian?
Yeah. So
trust me,
unfortunately,
I'll tell you as a vegetarian and to the rest of the vegetarians, you guys are missing out on a lot over here. This mutton curry is simply horrendous. What I just love about this curry is that it is not rich and heavy, and you know, it's not like you'll have 2 bites and you'll say, I'm so full or I'm stuffed. It is just bright, it is very nice, and it is like, for a curry, it is refreshing. You know? It's not very heavy on the masalas and all that stuff, so it's just right, it's nice, guys. Keep watching Eat on Zindagi TV and the experience keeps getting better and better. After all, it's a new experience at Urban Eatery.